Hello everyone and welcome to lesson number 5, trading support and resistance. If you notice on the last lesson, lesson number 4, we talked about how you can consistently make money in the stock market. Some keys to risk and reward. You need to keep that in mind once you start applying the strategies that we're going to talk about today. And on lesson number 5, we actually have a strategy and what you're going to look into markets and what you're looking into the charts so that you can put in your trade and have consistent profit coming into your account. All right. Trading support and resistance, or support and resistance, these are the most important concept every trader must know. This will enhance any strategy that you pick. Why? Let's dive right into it. So support and resistance are like walls. If you look at any chart, IBM, Apple, Bitcoin, any kind of instrument that you put out in the chart, you will see that price or the chart actually retraces on specific places, and those are called resistance or support. So if you can see here, don't worry about if it's a minor resistance or a major resistance. What you're going to look for is where is it the price hits twice and reverts to the other side. All right, so from left to right. So you have here going to a strong support. The price bounced here. It probably had already bounced again previously, and then it bounced again the second time. Look at my mouse, it bounced again. So we're making this as a strong support. Now we go up here, and then the second minor resistance, see here, the price goes down, and then where does it hit? It hits again on the same level and then reverses to the other side. Okay, so the same thing happens over here. There is a major resistance over here that they tested several times, right? Let's look this into very detail. Here's a very good chart of a very strong support. Notice how the price has a difficult time falling below the support of 51.25. This is just a random chart of IBM or Apple in a specific period where you see that the price keeps hitting it and keeps bouncing. So this is strong. How can this be applied to your trading strategy? Well, you got to find those in the chart, and then the strategy that you pick will help you maximize your opportunities for success. All right, let's look into resistance. Notice here how $39 acts as a resistance on Amazon. So we're looking at the Amazon chart over here between March and November 2006. So this is an old chart where you can see that no matter what time of the day, if it is the intraday chart, if it is the daily chart or weekly chart, you will find there are support and resistance. In this case, it hit it twice, and then he hit it again on the third time. So what does that mean? That means that if you're picking a strategy, when he hits those levels, you should be looking to either short the market or go long into the market. Okay, so let's dive into the charts and see if we find those actual support and resistance and how do we apply them. Okay, so I have a basic forex pair here. This is the euro versus the US dollar, and there's a plain chart. I have the stochastics indicator here, and we're going to start drawing some support and resistance. Now let's find where price bounces twice. Look at here. The price bounced twice and goes to the other side. How about here? This is a strong here where it kind of bounces and goes down, bounce and goes down. And look what happened right now. Oops, sorry about that. Let's make this a little bit prettier. The price kind of goes again at this about the same level, right? It hits here and it bounces to the other side. Now, if you look into the next lesson where we actually talk about strategies, and the strategy I have is a reversal and there is a breakout, this is a perfect example of two of the strategies that I talk about, and then you can use the support and resistance to actually enhance your probabilities of success. What is a divergence? We're going to talk this into detail next time, but today, see, the price is going down right here, and then it's hitting a support line, right? And then you have what's happening with the stochastics. Now, if we take a look at if the price was actually in this phase right here. This is what I'm talking about. The price is going down, and if you look at the indicator is actually going up. It's an up movement. So what are you going to see? What are you going to do? Are you going to go down or are you going to go up? This is a high probability trade of the market going to the upside. So if we pick the market going up, now it's going to retrace and it's going to most likely go up. If we look at our cheat sheet and you look at this specific pattern over here, look at this. That actually has happened in the past on other charts. Look at it. It actually looks exactly like this. The price going up, it went down, kind of make a little retracement and down, found a little minor support, and it went up again. So what does that mean? That means that there is a high probability that the market will probably rise to the highs over here, right? So if you do your risk to reward, that's a great risk to reward trade on the long. Now we also talk about breakout on the next lesson, and this is a perfect breakout. See, the price is between support and resistance, and then what happened? He actually breaks out. So we'll discuss this on the next video about how you can apply a diversion strategy or a reversal or a breakout. All right, so for right now, what is your homework? Pick a chart over here. For example, Litecoin. Do you find some key reversals? I already painted the support and resistance over here, but pick your preferred trading platform. I like TradingView, a nice free platform where you can pick your charts. So here's your homework for you. Go into your charts, find Apple, find IBM, or find Bitcoin, for example, and find the key levels of support and resistance. Look at what's happening right now. Look, the price had a peak over here, and then when the price hit that peak again, what happened? It went down. Okay, so look for this specific periods where the price kind of hits specific levels, and with those levels in mind, you can apply strategies that we're going to discuss again on the next video. All right, thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.